Number 5, the Polar Ignite 2 series stands out as a sophisticated blend of fitness intelligence, stylish design, and personalized wellness tracking, making it a compelling choice for Android smartwatch users who value both performance and aesthetics. At its core, the Ignite 2 is engineered to be a reliable training partner with built-in GPS and precision heart rate, monitoring via Polar's advanced wrist-based sensor technology. This watch doesn't just track your workouts, learns from your body and adapts to your lifestyle, offering personalized daily workout guidance through FitSpark and nightly recovery insights via nightly recharge. Whether you're jogging in the park or pushing through high-intensity interval training, the Ignite 2 monitors your performance metrics with accuracy and translates them into actionable feedback. Its sleek, customizable design allows users to switch between different watch faces and wristbands to suit their fashion preferences, while the always-on color display remains visible in various lighting conditions. For those focused on holistic wellness, the Ignite 2 integrates breathing exercises, serene guided sessions for stress management, continuous activity tracking that includes steps, calories, and sleep patterns. It syncs effortlessly with Android devices, allowing users to receive smart notifications for calls, messages, calendar events, and more directly on their wrist, ensuring that staying connected never interferes with physical or mental well-being. The battery life is robust, offering up to 5 days in watch mode and up to 20 hours in continuous training mode, making it ideal for users who want fewer charges and more action. With its water resistance, intuitive interface, and ability to provide weather updates and music controls, the Polar Ignite 2 emerges as more than just a smartwatch. It becomes a personalized lifestyle coach, empowering users to make smarter, data-driven decisions about their health and fitness every day. Number 4, the Withings ScanWatch Lite redefines the modern Android smartwatch experience by seamlessly merging timeless analog design with cutting-edge health technology, delivering an elegant and intelligent device that prioritizes well-being without sacrificing style. Crafted with a minimalist aesthetic, it features a durable stainless steel case, a crisp P-mold digital display tucked within its classic dial, and a battery life that impressively stretches up to 30 days on a single charge. Beyond its appearance, Number 3, the Fitbit Sense 2 elevates the Android smartwatch experience by blending cutting-edge health technology with sleek, contemporary design, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking deep wellness insights and connectivity in a single wristwear companion. At its heart, the Sense 2 features advanced sensors for continuous heart rate monitoring, electrodermal activity EDA tracking to gauge stress levels, and an on-wrist skin temperature sensor that helps you better understand recovery signals. It also includes an electrocardiogram ECG, app for spotting signs of atrial fibrillation, and an SBO sensor for tracking blood oxygen levels throughout the night. Alongside these clinical-grade health tools, the Sense 2 supports daily readiness assessments, which analyze your sleep patterns, activity level, heart rate variability, and skin temperature trends to recommend whether your body is prepared for intense training or needs more recovery. Number 2, the Google Pixel Watch 2 redefines the Android smartwatch experience by marrying sleek design, where OS 4 performance and Fitbit's refined health intelligence into one polished wrist companion. Its classic 41mm circular face is built from lightweight recycled aluminum and topped with curved Gorilla Glass 5 for a premium feel that's surprisingly comfortable even overnight. Beneath the elegant exterior lies a modern quad-core Snapdragon W5S W5100 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, delivering fluid navigation, fast app launches, and support for Google apps like Gmail, Maps, Wallet, and Assistant. The always-on AMOLED display is sharp and vivid around 320 ppi and can reach up to 1000 nits, ensuring clear visibility even in bright sunlight. Number 1, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra transforms the expectations for Android smartwatches by combining rugged durability, sophisticated design, and a suite of premium health and performance features into a single high-end wearable. With its polished titanium or stainless steel construction and sapphire crystal display, it embodies strength and clarity. It's built to endure everything from trail runs to deep swim sessions with its water resistance,